Most cyber attacks, they still start with your people. Social engineering remains the most common initial access vector for attackers. There are statistics that report over 85% of data breaches involve some sort of social engineering tactics. So at 2-in-1, we developed something called Test Your Hacker Skills. We want you guys to think like an attacker, understand what different type of tactics that they use, and then learn how to stop them or mitigate them. So how does this work? For the sake of time, I'm going to speed the demo up a little bit. You go to 2in1securitygroup.com and then you select Test Your Hacker Skills. You get the social engineering challenge box that pops up, and then you start the simulation. So what's the mission for this one? You're going to test the company's defense against email, SMS, voice, and physical security. All right, here we go, live in action. Let me test my own knowledge here. So the first target is an email target. For Sarah, she's in accounting. She's very helpful and she always tries to pay vendors on time. What would be her attack vector here? Probably updated vendor bank details. That's right. She wants to be helpful and she pays the vendor, so she updated the details. And then it gives you a quick lesson. Helpfulness is a major vulnerability in finance teams. The next target is a SMS text target. It's for Tom and he's in field sales. He's always on the road and he lives on his phone and he hates delays. What would be his attack vector? Probably your package delivery has failed. Click to reschedule. Yep, successful. The next one is a physical target. It's Pete and he's an office manager. So Pete, he's polite, he holds the door for everyone, and he don't want to be rude. So what would be his attack vector? Probably carry a heavy box and ask, can you get the door? People fall for that one all the time. And then the voice call, Linda, she's a receptionist. She's a gatekeeper and she handles hundreds of calls and she trusts authority. What would be the attack vector here? Hi, I'm the CEO. Give me the password. Nope, I got that one wrong. The target was food. So try a different angle next time. So let's go to the last target. This is a CEO fraud welling target. It's Mark and he's a VP. Mark is eager to please the board of directors and he does not verify requests. Now, what would be his attack vector here? Probably an email from Steve, the CEO. I'm in a meeting. Buy gift cards now. Yep, that's right. Mark didn't check the email address because he wanted to impress Steve. So it gives you a mission report. I got 4 out of 5 right. Ranked social engineering tells you that you did a good job and you can spot the vulnerabilities, but not all of them. We would love for you guys to take the test here and challenge your team. You can always replay the mission and try to get a better score. But this is a great way to test your skills against real world attack techniques. Thanks for watching.